What up, YouTube? This is Ray coming at you live with the last installment of the dual point to multi-point conversion. I got the car to run. I finished it last night, late last night, early in the morning, almost 3 in the morning. She ran. She sputtered a little bit. Figured out that I had 2 little issues. Fucked up prong on the distributor plug, and 2 of the injectors weren't seating. Because that's OBD1, the injector's OBD1 and the plug's OBD0. You just have to trim the injectors on the edge. But that's done, taken care of, ready to go. As you can see here, it came out pretty fucking clean, guys. Really happy with how this bitch really came out. I was a little stressed out about it because I needed the car. And in the end, I got it done. And well, here it is. I had to end up getting a new hose because it's burst on me last night on the test drive. But just to give you a quick look, this is a DX throttle cable. You can use a DX throttle cable. It's not necessary to buy the SI one, but if you want to be a twat, you can get one. Here's my harness that I made, all nice and fresh. See, boom, boom, boom. I got it running, kind of looped around over here and then teed over to for the resistor, so it looks nice and neat. Yeah, man, it's pretty crazy how that throttle body was all mucked up and fucked up, and with 1 can of carb cleaner I got it real clean, but I ended up having to change this piece of shit. Don't ever use this shit, kids. Don't use fucking security sealant because you're in a fucking bind to finish a car. Didn't fuck it up, it was already fucked up. It was like me being desperate. But anyway, here it is. Here's the vacuum line feed for the people that don't know. I usually just always run map to here because you're always supposed to run map to here. I just shortened the line and ran it here. And I ran this purge cylinder to that back vacuum port. So it came out pretty perfect. You know what I mean? So let's hear it run real quick and see how she sounds. Now I think on my dual point manifold, one of these injectors was totally fucking up. Probably spraying out too much gas. The car was running really rich and it started to ping. Now that I got this setup on, it fucking sounds cherry, dude. It starts right up. Auto's all perfect. Look at that shit. Holy smokes. You know? Look at that. Yeah, it came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. I hope my series of videos is able to help somebody. And stay tuned, I will be putting up more videos with more random stuff. Yeah, here you go, kiddos. Whiskey! She's alive. Whiskey, come here, baby. Come say bye to these fucking foo-foos. Come here, Whiskey. My dog's gonna say bye to you bitches. Come here, baby. Sit, baby. Sit. Sit. What are you gonna tell these people? Everything that you saw in these videos are solely my opinion on how to do things. You can do whatever the fuck it is you want to do. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Ray out.